The most common way to say grandpa or grandfather in Italian is
nonno,
plural,
nonni,
which can mean either grandpas or grandparents.
nonno,
Your paternal grandfather is,
nonno paterno,
whereas your maternal grandfather is.
nonno materno. Mio nonno mi porta sempre delle caramelle.
My grandpa always brings me sweets. Alternative ways of saying nonno are
Nonnino, nonnetto, nonnuccio.
all of which are affectionate forms of address. Many English-speaking people with Italian ancestry use the word nonno to describe their grandpa, although it tends to be pronounced with one N instead of two. The word for great-grandfather is
Bisnonno.
the prefix bis literally means second, two times, or one step removed. Substitute bis with tris, and you get
Trisnonno.
great-great-grandfather. For the latter, you can also hear the word
Trisavolo. Il mio bisnonno compierà 100 anni a novembre.
my great-grandfather will turn 100 in November. When addressing an elderly gentleman who isn't necessarily your grandfather, it's possible to use the word nonno as a nickname if you know the person well enough and he doesn't mind being teased in a friendly way. If you don't know him well, the nickname might not be appreciated. Nonno can be used to describe a person who has an old mentality or is a bit slow in doing things.
Ci hai messo 3 giorni per mandarmi una mail. Sei peggio di mio nonno.
It took you 3 days to send me an email. You're worse than my grandpa. We also have the expression
Fare il nonno.
which is often used to describe a young person who prefers to stay at home and relax rather than go out, party, and socialize.
Dai, non fare il nonno. Esci con noi a ballare stasera.
Come on, don't be an old geezer. Come out and dance with us tonight. If you want to express surprise or skepticism, you can reply to someone with
Sì, mio nonno.
which is a bit like saying, yeah, right, in English, when you don't believe what the person is saying.
Domani vado a fare una corsa di 30 chilometri. Sì, mio nonno.
Tomorrow I'm going to do a 30-kilometer run. Yeah, right. Finally, nonno can refer to a military person close to retirement. The noun is also contained within the word
Nonnismo.
a military slang term used to describe the harassment and humiliation of new recruits by senior soldiers.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.